Hello guys, Odeyemi Akinyemi is my name. I really don't have much to throw around now in this trade because I've already made withdrawal of 90 US dollars. So I'm having just $6.77 left there. Though I just rose the money to $6.77, it was $93. So now I will be looking for an opportunity. The condition has already been met. Waiting for my KDJ to have an intersection and the red must bisect both blue and green. Already the candle has tested the higher high and there is a retracement, so definitely there's going to be an arrow soon, but I am not expecting it here. Okay, I am not expecting the arrow pop up here, not at all. I'm still expecting the trend line, the green trend line, to be bisected by the down trend, by the down candle. That is the only condition when the arrow generated will be traded. That is only when it will be valid. So I'm going to wait for it and actually carry you along. Once again, thanks for waiting. Odeyemi Akinyemi will always be my name. If you are trading on IQ option 5 minute expiration, whenever this countdown is below 30, that is when you will click the time and click the 5 here. Okay? Now, as you can see, you will agree with me. I told you that this trend line is expected to go up and to be bisected, to be crossed down by the, the bullish red candle. The green trend line has been extended as expected. So it's not going to be new by the time I see another candle which is red going down through the green line. So once that happens, I will be expecting a yellow pop-up arrow in down direction, in put direction, in bullish direction. If that happens, then I will trade in 5 minutes expiration. Don't forget, this time here is still 4 minutes 19 seconds. I'm going to be changing my time here on IQ option when this time gets to 30 seconds. Once the time gets to 30 seconds and below, that is the best time for you to actually change your time from IQ option time. Here, you click on the last time here. But take note, it must be when this timer has already gotten to 30 seconds, which means 0030, okay, and below. So I'm going to put the video on a pause while we ride on later. See that? So let's wait for it. Now, as I've told you, when this timer gets to 30, that is actually when you'll be changing your IQ option timing to 5 minute expiration. Just watch it. And we are also looking at this KDJ indicator here to intersect. You can see the timer here is below 30, so it is safe now. It is safe now. Okay, so but definitely an arrow is not going to pop up now, so we wait for it. Okay, because the candle is not very bullish and there is no intersection here, so we are going to wait for it. A new candle will be opening when this is at 30. You see that? Do you see that? Now, perfect time for arrow to come up when this bullish candle cut across the green trend line. By so doing, there's going to be an intersection of these three lines, the red, the blue, the green. Let's watch the movie. Do you see what I'm saying? The intersection is already taking place. Okay? At the opening of the next candle, you are going to see the intersection completely. So the bullish candle has already cut down the uptrend green line, which is the trend line. So now, if you draw this line now, wait, where is it? If you draw this line here directly, if you draw this line directly, imaginary, you will see it has cut across it. Okay, and that is what we are just waiting for. But the way it is now, it has not cut anymore. It has retraced. The trend has gone up. It has retraced up. So it must be below it. Okay, it must be below it very well before we even think of picking a trade. Um, let's just wait for it. But before then, once this is less than 30, we are going to be picking the time here just to be on the safer side. Then you we agree with me now, the intersection of these three lines is no more happening, the condition is no more met. Okay, then our CCI already condition is met for CCI, but for the candle, for the TDJ is no more met. Watch out, let's see what will happen. Will an arrow pop up? Let's see. You see that arrow didn't pop up because condition was not met. So we have to wait for it. It's very simple. Okay, so let's wait for it. Now this is Euro USD. I saw this, but I never bothered because I could see it is in ranging condition, ranging situation. Even when the arrow pop up here, I never took it because it was this trend was expected to have happened way back here when there was a crossover here. But because it was happening here, I never took the trade. I was just like looking at it. It was not interesting. Look at a pop-up happened now and it's going in the direction of the pop-up, but still not a nice trade. So all you need doing is just to follow the instruction. You see this? Nice one. Okay, we just have to wait for the best time to enter the trade. So no worry in life. This now is a very nice one. Look at the crossover. If it ends this way and the yellow pop-up comes up, I'm going to trade. Either the trade ends in the money or not, I've done the right thing. Every trade is not going to be ITM. It's not going to end in the money. So let's wait for it. Now you see that. So I'm going to be selecting the time now. In the next 5 seconds, we'll trade if arrow pops up. Arrow didn't pop up, we cannot trade. You see that? We can't trade. So this would have been the best time of trading. Whenever you see this type of setup and the arrow pops up, is the best time for you to trade. But the arrow didn't pop up, so I will not take the decision by myself. So we have to wait for it. In this type of situation, no trade will be taken, even when the signal later comes out. Because if you look at the distance of the crossover of this KDJ, is much now. So in view of that, if any signal pops up now, we are not going to be taking the trade. We can compare the lag signal that came out here on this green, this bull candle, with the crossover. Do you see that? It wasn't much. Peep, and the trade was on. Look at this. The trade was also won. Look at this. The trade was won because it wasn't, you know, much. The distance between the KDJ, when the KDJ system happens, and this, it wasn't much. So for this reason, we won't be taking this trade if we want our signals to be valid. Thanks for listening. Odeyemi Akinyemi is my name. Thank you and God bless you.